Welcome to Shortcut. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your roadmap to plan and share your team's priorities, close to and synced with the work that's happening, organized in a convenient table view. The roadmap is organized by team and structured with epics, so you're able to customize what's added to show the work that's upcoming, in progress, and completed. Your roadmap enables you to plan and prioritize with views that stay up to date as your team completes work. It helps teams asynchronously communicate roadmap progress and status to stakeholders. Start building your roadmap using the Add Epics option in each team grouping. You can drag and drop the order of the epics to highlight priorities and customize what you see on the table to keep your view focused by toggling specific columns on or off in your display filters. If your team uses objectives, for example, you might want to add that to your display filters. Here, you can also rearrange the order in which the columns appear. Quickly signal project status on the roadmap using a health status and contextual comment to indicate whether an epic is on track, off track, at risk, or has no health. Then, set a target date to keep stakeholders informed of when epics are expected to be completed. Together, these provide a clear view of progress, highlighting any areas that need discussion or further engagement. Once your roadmap is created, you can focus in on key details using filters for various combinations of views. Table view filters are retained so you can navigate away from the roadmap page and return to your selected filters. The Epic States filter allows you to focus in on specific stages of work for at-a-glance views and to encourage discussions about the various stages of planning. Filtering by health enables you to check in on blockers or things at risk in a more focused view for epics on the roadmap. Or highlight what's on track and celebrate with the team to focus on what's going to be delivered. You can export your team's roadmap as a PNG using the Share button at the bottom of your team's roadmap. The columns that are selected in display settings will be visible in the image when you export. Then you can add your roadmap to a presentation or share as a team update in Slack. With Shortcut's roadmap, planning, prioritizing, and sharing your product strategy has never been easier.